Welcome back to another video. This is a trade that I did take while I was on vacation. I made about $1,200 in about 5 to 10 minutes. It was honestly such a simple trade. That's why I really want to push you guys to really take this strategy in because it's just like mind-boggling how easy it is. I literally took this trade on my phone. I did mess up on one little thing, which I will get into depth. I will show you what it was, but that was just because I'm trading on my phone. I mean, such a small screen. It was a little difficult, but $1,200, 5 to 10 minutes with this simple strategy. Let's get right into it. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So with the charts all cleared up over here, we can get a clear little example, see what's happening. Over here, of course, we have ES and NASDAQ, the two like elite pairs if you want to be successful in the market. Trust me, if you're still trading like at Forex, just throw that in the garbage. Honestly, you'll never be successful with Forex. I mean, don't get me wrong, you will be, but it's difficult, especially with the spreads, very expensive as well. But anyways, that's off topic. So right here on NAS and ES, we have a buy side liquidity that got taken. Right here, we did take our trade on NASDAQ because NASDAQ is usually my preferred trading like stock. So right here, I saw right away, I was like, okay, actually it was here on ES. I saw, okay, so right here we made a lower high and a higher high. So this was our SMT. And over here, I initially thought, because I was looking at such a small screen on my phone, I thought that NASDAQ actually made like this was a high and this was a low. So I thought that this was an SMT. But again, I was on my phone, I didn't see it properly. So that was an actual mistake because in reality, there was no SMT that got placed. But in my head, I thought it was. So again, I saw that this got inverted with an inversion fair value gap, which is already beautiful. So in my head, thinking that this was an SMT with NAS and ES with an inversion, I was like, okay, this is a no-brainer. Like, I have to take this trade. Like, we are guaranteed we're in the money. Especially on ES, we also made an inversion fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, I have to enter this trade. Took a standard deviation from the highs to the break of the inversion fair value gap. And right here, I saw that we came down, broke right through. This was my entry right over here, right on the break. Stop loss goes right above the SMT. Again, I thought it was, but I was wrong. But again, even if there is no SMT, you could still take this trade. Just a bit more riskier because you're not 100% sure, like you don't have that 100% that the stock is gonna can go higher than the last point. And if you don't understand what I'm trying to say right there, I'll link it in the description. You can go check it out. There's another video explaining it. So right here, we took our entry. Now we came right down to this -1. We did have a very strong rejection off this -1, which kind of scared me a bit. So I did take some partials, but I saw that we came back down, and right at this -2, I ended up taking my full profits, which I could have held, but again, it was a little risky because I saw that ES wasn't really corresponding properly. It was kind of like look, this is going up over here while this is going down overall. So I didn't really like that much. So I just better safe than sorry. I got out, and in reality, I could have held to my original -4 take profit, but there's just too many rejections and very bad correspondence with ES. So guys, if ever you are in that situation in the market where you're not 100% sure what to do and you are in the money, just get out. Even if you're not in the money, just if you have to have a solid plan when you get into the market, and you cannot go against your rules. If you see something in the market that's not like, how do you say, like corresponding to what you think is supposed to be happening, then automatically you're gambling. You're not trading anymore. You're gambling. That's 100% gambling, and that's not what you ever want to do in the market. And when you're in the market, you want to know exactly what's going on. You want to be already like visioning, like, okay, this is gonna go down. We might have a little jump here. If you can't do that, please just go to demo. Like, there's no reason for you to be live trading real money. You're not ready yet. And honestly, if that hurts you, I mean, I'm happy I'm doing it because in reality, I'm saving you a lot of money. Because trust me, I was just like that. And I'm sure you are going to go through this phase. It's 100%. Every trader does. So that's a quick little recap on one of the trades I did take on vacation. I know it was kind of backdated a bit, and this is going to be a late video technically. But yeah, I really do hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And overall, guys, I'm still kind of new to this YouTube channel, so I am still trying to like learn how to like talk, how to like edit. But in reality, I'm just trying to teach you guys a lot of my knowledge that I wish that I had when I first started, and kind of document my journey. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.